have the night off. Sorry about these guys. Okay? If you can all help clap along on the count of 3. You're probably good at this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mama Sue. It's so special. Hope you have a super fun birthday.
Okay, you blow. You blow.
Blow from there.
Thank you. You thought she was going right back to that table, huh?
She was cracking up.
I talked to her a little while ago.
Alright, you got here.
Happy early birthday, Dad.
I don't think Rowan wants any. Rowan said no thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, he wants some, please.
Ron, what is this? Ron, what is this?
What do you get?
Volcano.
Can you say volcano?
Volcano.
No, a tiny bit, Mom.
Mom, be careful. I want to say he's gonna stick his whole hands on it, Mom. Do not, Mom. I don't know why you put that in front of him. There you go.
That's why.
Get him a slice.
You can just have a little bit of the ice cream, that's it.